welcome to Bella's Bargains. I'm Amy. I'm so glad you're here today. Let's see. Yesterday, if you watched my video yesterday, I said Merry Christmas and said it was December 1st. However, I was wrong. It was not December 1st. It was November 30th. I don't know how I got so far off. But anyway, I guess I'm just excited for December. So today technically is December 1st. So Merry Christmas. And although yesterday I did a craft that was supposed to be for December 1st, it wasn't, but I did do one for you today. And it's so stinking cute. I love it. So I took the, well, you'll see in the video. Anyway, I redid this. I think it's so cute and so adorable. I'm obsessed. Well, with the Dollar Tree, I mean, at least. And then, because there was like another part of it that I removed, I took that part and added it to this, which is super cute. It's a little votive holder, so love that. And then you got a little bonus upscale today. I did this sign up here. It's a bonus upscale, and it's so sweet. It's the sweetest little sign, and all I did was embellish it with some things to three-dimensionalize it. And this right here is a smell good cinnamon broom. So this is just a cute little thing to do to assign to upscale it. So you got a little bonus one today. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Love the truck, love the truck. Don't forget, I've got 25 days of Dollar Tree crafts, easy Dollar Tree crafts that don't require a lot of paint and stain and hoopla and all that. So I hope you really like them. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you feel like it. During the video, if you see something you really like, hit that like button for me. Thank you so much. And I still want to give away some calendars. So if you want to get a friend to subscribe and mention you in the comment, you automatically get a calendar. All right, everybody, enjoy this video, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 3, technically December 2nd, though, of my Christmas daily crafts. Dollar Tree DIY daily. That was a lot, wasn't it? Man, I'm talking too much. Okay, bye. All right, so this is a redo of this cool little hanger sign, which is really cute. It's Red Truck says Merry Christmas. However, I want to switch it up. And a lot of times when you buy stuff at the Dollar Tree, it's like not glued properly. So I just want to say the first thing I'm going to do is remove the Merry Christmas, and I'm going to do that with some nail polish and a paper towel. I'm also going to be using the Farmer's Market calendar, and I'm going to use the very small print of it on the back here that says Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Here's my nail polish remover. I'm going to need some Mod Podge for that. And I'm going to need one pick because I'm going to remove the tree and put a more real looking tree back there. So let's go. So now that I got most of that Merry Christmas off, you can still see like there's the words are still sort of coming through. And on the wheel well here, some of the paint wore off as I was rubbing with the nail polish remover, but I love it. So I went and got one of my nail files, and I'm just gonna age this up a little bit. I know that my sign's gonna go right here, so I'm not too worried about this area. But I kind of like adding a little roughness to it, like, you know, like it's an old farm truck. An old Christmas tree farm truck, right? So just gonna do a little bit of this around and see if I can get some more of that red off, just to give it a little more wear look on it. All right, so the other thing is I'm gonna take a Sharpie and just sort of clean up. They paint the whole thing red and then they add in their other colors. And so often they just sort of miss the filling in certain areas where it's off. And the other thing I always like to do is to go around the edges of these with a Sharpie, and it just gives them a more finished look. So I took this tree off the back of the red truck, and I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's a cute little tree. And so I figured I should repurpose it. So here's the red truck candle holder, which we put little votives in that aren't, I use the battery operated. So I'm just gonna add this to the back of here. But first I had to fix that little boo-boo right there. Okay, so this is just an upscale of a sign, and I think this sign is really cute, but I'm just going to do a few things to enhance it and just bring it, just upscale it slightly and also make it smell good. So we have the sign. I'm going to be using the furniture scratch markers from Dollar Tree. Obviously, everything's from the Dollar Tree. Just a few little odds and ends and a couple of snowflakes and this cinnamon fragranced scented broom. And also this is some of the rope, but I'm always unwinding it. And so I'm going to use some of this as a replacement tie because I think the ribbon looks kind of silly. So let's get started.